Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to episode 2 of Can I Rebuild the Worst NFL Franchise in the League, the New Orleans Saints. Last episode, we lost to the Carolina Panthers 10-7, and I simmed a couple games. We lost and we won, and now our record is 2-3. But, guys, that's okay. I just want to say, if you guys are enjoying the series so far, please like and subscribe. You know, it helps a lot, and if you guys don't enjoy my videos later on, you can always unsubscribe. We did trade for some new players. We got Trey Lance, and we also got Cole Kmet. So a little bit of some upgrades on offense. You know, not too crazy, though. I'd like to upgrade our roster more. All right, so we're going to jump into Game 6 against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. All right, so it looks like we start off with the ball first. We got to play this smart. We just play it 1 yard at a time. I think we'll be fine. So here's the first play of the game. I'd like to throw it to either Cole Kmet or Chris Olave, but if no one's open, we got to scramble it, which no one is. So we're going to scramble it. Hopefully get a good thing of yardage, which we did. First down and more by Trey Lance. We're going to run it with Alvin Kamara. I think, honestly, if we keep doing this 1 yard at a time, we could win. Play it smart. Lock in. We could do this. And my goal this season is to try to make the playoffs. Because, again, I have everything turned on. I have coach firing turned on. I have everything. So if I don't do good, I'm going to get fired. And right now, we're not looking so great. But I don't want to get fired, guys. I'd be very, very upset. Because then the series would be over. Unless they hired me back, which I doubt. I doubt they'd hire a losing coach right back. But almost got intercepted. Chris Olave almost got killed there. But thank God he's not dead, and he's still on our team because we need him. Almost took the sack there, but it doesn't matter because it looks like it's going to be intentional grounding. Oh, the refs aren't liking us so far this season. They're really not making things easy. So it's 3rd and 20. I don't know if we're going to be able to get this first down. Yeah, we can't because we got sacked. So now it's 4th and 32. I'm not punting this. I'm going for this. Because mama ain't raised no quitter. Oh! What a catch by Brandon Cooks for the first down at their 5-yard line. What a play. Can we scramble it in with Trey Lance? We can. Touchdown Saints. Trey Lance with the touchdown of the first quarter of the game. We haven't had those a lot, but when they happen, man, they're special. Oh, I don't know what that was. He just completely looked like he tripped and ate the ground. Quite literally started eating the floor. But, so first offensive play for the Buccaneers. First defensive play for us. I think, honestly, right, okay, never mind. Maybe not. Let's just let him get 14 yards with his first rush. So, wow. That's not great. They're running again with Bucky Irving. He gets 5 yards. Man, I'm going to be honest. If rushing the ball for them is very good this game, we're going to be killed. So we got to play good both ways with passing and running against them. He's been very good these past two seasons in real life. But boomsticked Michael Evans, or Mike Evans, as you guys call him. Doesn't really roll off the tongue where I say Michael, you know? But, you know, things happen. Mike Evans again. Open, but he gets boomsticked, so it doesn't matter. Maybe he'll fumble. He can celebrate all he wants, but I want to give him CTE. I want him. He's gone. We're going to try to give we are going to try to give the Bucs players CTE this game, because honestly, I think that's our main priority now. No tackling, just straight CTE. Straight going right for them like we're going to be the Legion of Boom Part 2. Come here. Boom. CTE. Can we give Baker CTE? That's the question. We can't. But it's fine. We can give his players it. So they can stay on the ground. Honestly, they're probably going to score, but I'm having a great time just boomsticking their entire offense. So, I think it's a win-win. So, we just got to play it smart on offense, and I think we can take this dub. Oh, my gosh. Tried screening it to Bucky Irving. You know, but screening doesn't always work. So 3rd and 8 at our 12-yard line. I'm hoping, to be honest with you guys, I really think we can stop them or just keep them to get 3 points. But the best case scenario right now is if we just well, that's good too. 4th and 22 at our 26 now. They're going to kick it, take the 3 points. So that was the best situation that could have happened right there. Oh my gosh, we could have had it, but we missed. So now the score is 3-7. Our defense is actually playing not too bad right now. So that makes me happy. And maybe this game could be a blowout and we could win and just like put in all of our backups, which would be third strings and on other teams. But it's whatever. Oh, but a wide open receiver for the touchdown against them. Let's go. What a play by our wide receiver for the touchdown. I think that was awesome. Thank you for being wide open for me to just lob it up and toss it for the touchdown. Only took 7 seconds on offense to score and make this game score much bigger. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Stays on his feet. Who is that? Who are you? Is that Shiloh? Shiloh Sanders just won't be taken down by anyone on our special teams. That's horrible. That is horrible, guys. Like running into a brick wall against Shiloh. Mike Evans, doesn't matter. You can't get that touchdown. I'm not allowing you. Only 12 seconds left in the half. Baker scrambling it again, but he gets sacked. Oh, no, he doesn't. I thought it would be a sack, but it doesn't matter. They're going to try to kick it again. Make the score 6-14, so that way when they get the ball next half, all they got to do is score and then get a 2-point conversion. But I don't think he's making it. He's not making it. All right, he made it. All right, so we're kicking the ball off in the second half to the Buccaneers. Again, Shiloh just won't go down. Is refusing. All right, only 3 yards. I think who ran that? Was that? Yeah, that was Bucky Irving. Only 3 yards for him. Oh, what a boomstick. He can celebrate. That's okay. Again, no one on the Buccaneers wants to go down today. They really want to win this game, but I don't think I don't think our defense is going to let them. Oh my gosh. We just straight up sent Mike Evans to sleep. What with that hit? What a hit by us. Again, boomsticked. Tyrann Mathieu, boomsticks Bucky Irving yet again, puts him right to sleep. Because we're going to be a hard hitting defense. Okay, maybe not with that play. Because, you know, sometimes we just can't put him to sleep. Well, Baker Mayfield's scrambling, but he throws it out of bounds, so it doesn't matter. Oh my gosh. Again, trying to put the Buccaneers players to sleep. Oh my gosh, again. How is Bucky Irving getting up after every boomstick or not even fumbling? Dude, I'm going to be honest, if I was on that field, I would be benched within 5 minutes. My head, I'd have 4 concussions, and my legs, everything would be gone if I was getting hit like this. No yards gained or lost for the Buccaneers with that play. Honestly, we're coming close to the 2-minute warning. If we stop them and they just score 3 points, I'll be okay with that. But, no. Never mind. Bucky Irving almost scores there. But Tyrann Mathieu stops him. They're probably going to score this drive. That's okay. All right, so they scored. If they get the 2-point conversion, they will be tied up. All we have to do is chew the clock, though, and then hopefully, guys, we just kick a field goal in and take it home. Oh, they didn't get it. Who was that with the sack? Number 47 sacks Baker Mayfield and makes it just a 2-point game. I'm going to play it smart. Just run it. Try to get the first down. And then hopefully take the game home with a field goal again. I mean, we're still looking pretty good. Oh my gosh, Trey Lance completely just overthrown. But Alvin Kamara, he is injured. Our best player on our team is injured. Let's still just get this first down. It's okay. I'm still going to take this win, and we're just going to go home. Yeah, Trey Lance, 0 interceptions so far in this game. Pretty good for like a 68 overall quarterback. Oh, my gosh. Oh, broken thumb with Alvin Kamara. Oh, my gosh. It's okay. Brandon Cooks wide open for the first down and more. So thank you to him. There's a flag down. What's the flag on? Oh, no. Holding. Holding on us. Really? On our right tackle. Dude, what are we doing, man? What are we doing?
Hey, this defense is asleep. Let's go.
Oh, threw an interception. Trey Lance. Oh, my gosh. Oh, but the Bucks return. They get the ball back. Trey Lance almost just pulled a Will Levis and boomsticked him to recover the own interception that he threw. Oh, my gosh. That would have been so cool, dude. I would have been so okay with that. But, you know, it's all right. Let's go. We're taking this win home, baby. Let's go. We won against the Buccaneers 14-12. What a game, guys. That has been. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in episode